weak and my voice starts to fade. Every night I whisper for you on every road I take, 'cause I still hear your gang song in the center of my chest, a trembling little melody that never comes to rest. Please accept this sacred cup of wine. Stand with me one last time. You once made me smile so softly, like we were young and alive. Wherever I wander, I hear you still, your gang flowing through the past. But now my love, you walk ahead and I follow after at last.
Please lift your eyes, look at me once more, before my spirit slips, before my footprints fade. Even if there's another life, I don't know if we'll remember to find each other again.
Please let fall one last tear so I can take it with me now. My beloved girl, you crossed the great river. Our story ends here, fading softly with the sound of the gang.
The time has come, my precious love, we've walked this far, now we reach the end. I'll lead you down the mountains and valleys, hear my gang voice follow behind me, pulls me back to the days long gone when you stood right beside me. Maybe it was never written in our fate to become husband and wife. You lived your life quiet and far away, and only now do I hear your message asking to hear my gang once more, to mix it sound with falling tears, because this time the earth calls a spirit guest.
Please lift your eyes, look at me once more, before my spirit slips, before my footprints fade. Even if there's another life, I don't know if we'll remember to find each other again. Please just let fall one last tear so I can take it away.